What's going on, guys? This is Onyema Anthony from Daily Programmer. So today I'm going to teach you guys about the naming conventions, how you name a variable, and some variables that are not names that are not supported. So, like I told you, you can name your variable whatever you like, literally whatever you like. But even though you can name it whatever you like, there's some names that are not accepted, and there are some names that are conventional on how you name your variables. So, like if you look at this place, I just gave it a random names. But let me clean this thing up. Let me show you some names that are not supported. You cannot have something like this. It's a string one name is equals to whatever and whatever. So look at this place now. There's already an error. You see that there's an error. This red signifies an error. See why one good thing about an IDE, it shows you the error immediately. You don't even need to waste your time. You see the error in real time. So what it means that you cannot have one. You cannot have a number before the alphabet. You can always start with an alphabet. So if I remove this thing like this, you see that the error is gone, and you can put it here and it works. So just bear it in mind. There are so many other violations that are out there, but most of the times you won't find yourself doing them or violating them, because ideally you already know that a variable should be. You always name your variable words, because that is what will help you. That is what will be easier for you to remember. So this is one. And also there's some convention of naming a variable. There's the one we call camel case. There's the one we call snake case. So looking at this thing right now, camel case and snake case. If you look at it, you find out that you find some different. You come here, you see an underscore, and then you start the new one. You come here, you see a capital letter, right? So this explains what I'm trying to explain. So for example, if you have a variable that has the combination of multiple words, like camel is a word and case is a word and snake is a word and case is another word. So you combine them together to form a variable name. There is a way you can do that. There is a convention of doing it. Not like it will not work if you do it anyhow, but this is a convention. And try as much as possible as a programmer to follow the regular convention that other programmers follow. So let's say we have string my name is equals to Anthony. So sorry, I cannot type today. So my name is equals Anthony. So you see that my is started from small letter. Then the name is another word. You start that other word with capital letter. The same thing happens to snake case. So you have my underscore name is equals to what? Anthony. If you look at it, you notice the difference. This one, subsequent words, you start them with capital letter and then small letter continue. This one, subsequent word, you put an underscore and you continue. So this one is the camel case and this is the snake case. Just look at this place for reference. And then if the words are, no matter how many they are, follow this convention. So let's say I want to have 3-letter word or 4-letter word. You can say my name is Anthony. You see? If we're going to have a snake case, we say my name is Anthony. All of them are perfectly valid variable names. So this is how you name your variables. This is a convention of naming your variables. So make sure if you're using camel case, be consistent. Use camel case. If you're using underscores, be consistent. Use underscores. But for this, most of the times I use camel case. So this is what I'll be using throughout the entire course. So it depends on the one you like and depends on the one that you feel comfortable with. If you feel comfortable with anyone, use it and then use it all through. Another thing I want to show you guys is how to write a comment. That's what to call a comment in programming. So every programming language has this feature. So let's say you want to ignore this. You want the computer to ignore this. Just come in the front of it and put /. You see, it is gray. So whatever you write here will be executed and it will be ignored. Let me show you what I mean. So we have print my name is Anthony. So if you execute this, you see that this camel case, snake case is ignored, but you come down here and executed this. So comment helps you to probably write whatever you like, whatever you want to do with it. You can do. You can put some hints and some tips, and you can even explain the code to other developers who's using a comment what this does, and then you execute your code. You don't care about the comments. You comment it, and then everything will know. It will make sure that that code is not executed. So let me show you again. Whatever you write here will be regarded as comment unless you go to the next line. So whatever you write here will be ignored, completely ignored by the compiler. Even if you go here, I write it. If you go to the next line, it starts working. But if you put another slash again, it continues. So this is called a single line comment. If you look at it now, it's just in a single line, right? From here till as long as it's reached, it will be commented. But let me show you a double line. So this is a single line. Let me write a single line comment. And then here, let's do the double line comment. Let's do the double line comment. So this comment even helped me to give you guys some things, show you guys, to write some things for you guys. So double line, you put slash and then star. So you see, you have a slash and then star and then this star. So whatever that goes in here is going to be regarded as comment. Whatever, if I like, I should write anything. So whatever I write inside this place will be regarded as a comment, unless I leave these two places and then come down here and start writing. That is when this will be regarded as something. So just try and use it very well, and then don't abuse it. So this is a double line comment, and this is a single line comment. Single line comment. So whichever one you want to use at any point, so you can use it. So let me just show you that if I still write something here, it will still work. If I still print something here, it will still print. You see, it's printing it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, bye.